welcome to another video of Minnie C. Now today I'm gonna make a bird feeder with my pet that I just got, and I'm gonna use this tape, this wire, this plate, this pebble thingy, and a cup with a hole drilled in it, and some of these. I don't know what they're called.
Reusable straws.
Reusable straws. Now we're gonna put this wire through the plate. Halfway. Now I'm gonna put this feed there. Go.
All right, let me pause for a second.
Okay. Now that I put the bead in the center, I'm gonna take this straw. First, we gotta take the ends of the wire.
Stop making those faces. It's supposed to be like that. It's okay. We're going to tape the ends of the wire to make it a little easier to feed through our straw and our cup.
Okay.
All right. So now that it's taped together.
Now let's tape together. We can pull it through the straw.
You have to pull hard muscles. Now you're going to feed your wire through your cup.
Now I'm going to feed the wire to my cup.
Nope, other way. You got to go through the center. Oh, there you go. And now your plate hangs just below your cup to allow your bird feed to come out, and the cup will not tip over. We're going to take this tape off of here, and this is now going to be your hanger. We're going to take our wire and tie a little knot here. You don't want to
Fill it up. We're going to do this. And then put your bird food or bird drinks in there. Tighten it back up.
That's good.
Hang it from your bird thing. Okay, folks, let's go hang it up. I'm gonna fill it up with this shovel. We don't have a bird scooper.
Go on. All right, that's enough right now. Now remember, hold on to the cup. Pull the string tight. And carefully flip it over.
Now that we let's go hang it up.
Hey, Minnie, this one over here is empty. Let's take it down and hang it up over here. Right here. Don't step on the plants, okay?
I'm so shaky today. I'm not sure. Is it because of the storm? Oh, we wait for the birds. Also, if you don't know, we had some lunch last year and we got some watermelon. Like watermelon, I don't know why. I'm sorry that we couldn't take pictures of birds today because it's storming. I hope you try bird feeder at home. Like and subscribe. Like this video. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell and I'll see you guys